Alright, y'all. So it is the next morning. I just got back from Sally's, and last night it was a complete fail. Let me show you guys what this occurred. So this is my hair. Um, it is like really dark, and I actually still got conditioner in it. Um, So like my roots, as you see, is like the honey blonde. Um, in some cases, and it's just in certain areas, like right there, you see that's like all brown. So it is like a big mess. Pretty much I'm going to have to re-dye all of this, everything. But my roots pretty much. Um, and like here, I won't be able to apply dye. Like I'm gonna have to really be careful, like where I put my dye and all that, cause as y'all see, it's like I see this how patchy this is. So this was a complete fail. So like I said, I just came back from Sally's. I didn't get the bag at my room. Hold on. So I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up from Sally's. So in any case like this happens, I would, if you know a beautician, a licensed beautician, I would suggest you contact them. If you don't know how to fix it, or instead of you going to your beauty supply store, go to a Sally's. So I went to Sally's and I picked up this L'Oreal Technique HiColor Blondes for dark hair. And this is the color H16, which is the honey blonde. So I picked this up. Hold on, this is my receipt. I picked up 3 of these, and 3 of those, some gloves because I'm now out. One of these brushes because I can't find none. And I picked up a bowl, and I picked up some 30 developer because I don't remember which one I have. But if I have 30, then I'm gonna take this back. But I think I got a 20. And then I picked up this, I think it's pronounced Proclaim, argan oil intense hydrating treatment. So I got 2 of these. They were $1. And we are going to try to fix this. The lady at Sally's told me to just apply the color where my hair is darkest at and just pretty much like leave the light portion of it alone. So this is something that I'm going to literally have to sit down and kind of take my time with. Literally take my time with. I don't want to put it on the light portion because if you put it on like here, it's just not going to do anything but get lighter than what it already is. So we just going to pretty much leave it alone. Leave it alone in some cases. I'm just going to have to literally like move through my hair fast. My hair, I left the conditioner in last night. I'm debating on do I want to wash it out or not. I'm like seriously debating it or not. Y'all, this like ruined my curl pattern. Like I'm so upset right now. Cause like if you see, I don't know if you guys can see, like my hair is like this is just straight. So I'm like super duper aggravated, and the good thing is I don't have to bleach my hair because at first I was just gonna bleach it, and that's something that I really did not want to have to do because like you see, like my hair color is actually ruined. So if y'all trying to figure out what the hell she looking at, I'm looking in the mirror. But we're gonna try to fix this, and yeah, so I am about to go get everything set up, get my hair combed out, make sure my hair is dry because my hair is not all the way dry. And I will be back. Alright, you guys, it's your girl Mama, and we are in my bathroom today because I need to see what in the world I'm doing. Okay, so as you guys just saw when I came home, this is what my hair ended up turning out like. As you see, it's like blonde here, and it's like dark brown. It's really, really patchy. It didn't really take it out in the back at all, so we just have to fix this. So what we're going to be using today is the L'Oreal HiColor Blondes for dark hair. So I'll be using this, and I have the Pure White Clarion 30 Developer. So we're going to be using this, and I'm only going to be applying it on certain sections of my hair, pretty much all over the back, but the front part of my hair is only going to be on certain sections. And yeah, so we're gonna get this bad boy started. And actually, while I'm thinking about it, I left my horse clips in my room, so we're gonna go get the horse clips. Y'all, this like a vlog today. Don't y'all love it? Y'all get to see me look a hot mess. Alright, so I'm gonna get my horse clips, and I'm gonna get my lovely comb. Probably won't need it, but I'm gonna get it just in case. And yeah, I'm so stressed. So stressed. So I got my horse clips, and we're gonna get this bad boy up and going. Okay. So I am going to take this and use this to kind of separate my hair. And I'm going to separate my hair into 4 sections as I did last night. And I'm going to take this and twist this up as tight as I can, so that way I don't have no hair in my way while I'm trying to dye it. And I probably am going to start in the back, and the reason being because more of the front took than the back did. Pretty much none of the back actually took. Yes. Okay. I'll be down in a second. Y'all say a little prayer for me. And clips are my friends. So like I said, y'all, sectioning is going to be key today. Yes. Ready, all you need is water and syrup. Okay, I'll be down in a second. Okay. So I can't see the back of my head, and it's such a because I don't have help at all. Because my mom is not here, neither is my sisters, so I don't have any help. So I'm going to just twist this bad boy up, and we're going to get this bad boy started. Okay, so I got this little measuring cup. Not a measuring cup, but it's like one of my shakers. So I will need 6 ounces of the 30 developer because you need 2 for every tube. So we're just going to measure this out. got our mixture ready. She's here. It stinks. I got gloves and everything. I'll be using a brush applicator, which is different than what I did yesterday because I need to be more precise in what I'm doing. And yeah, so let's get this bad boy started. Okay, y'all, so I got the application and everything in, and I'm about to go eat, and I will be back in 30 minutes because I'm gonna let it sit in for 30 minutes. I'm gonna go put a plastic cap on my head. I'm gonna let this sit in for 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna see if we fix the issue. Alright, so 30 minutes was up, and I went back and I checked my hair, and like the back of my hair, I noticed that had started to lift, but the base of my hair, the middle part was still a little on the dark side, but it was starting to brighten up some, so that is good. So I actually let it sit in for another 20 minutes. That 20 minutes is now up, so we're about to go and wash all of this out because I don't want it to sit in my hair for an hour. Because I just have a feeling it's going to be really, really bad. Alright, y'all. So, this is the final product. And it's not, like, all the way fixed, but it will do. So, I'm super duper excited. Ooh. You girl didn't get all that. Wait. This what I do, y'all. Y'all didn't see this, okay? Because I'm going to condition it. So this is definitely going to be a part 2 to this video and letting you guys know the how I pretty much feel about the whole process and everything like that. I'm super duper excited, y'all. I want to go back to Sally's and give this lady a hug who helped me out. But let me show you guys. So pretty much, it's still a little dark in this area, but as far as everything else, it's pretty much all in the same color tone, and it's not looking like, oh my god, it's just a big difference. So it actually looks really really pretty. It actually does. It looks really really pretty. Alright, you guys, so I wanted to just come and show you guys my hair in person, and this is what she looks like. It's actually a lot brighter, like literally in the light it looks darker in the camera, but it's actually really really pretty. um It really is. It's really, really pretty. I love the color. I will be re-dyeing it in November, just to get it even lighter. But I love it, y'all. Y'all see that? I ain't saying. Hey, I'm feeling myself. Hey. Okay, that's enough, y'all. But that is all, you guys. I just wanted to come back so you guys can really get a good picture of how my hair is looking. And I love you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe and like to see my beautiful, beautiful face, and also to join me on my journey for healthier hair. So I want you guys to go on this journey with me. And like I said, I love you guys. Talk to you guys later. Bye.